Hi, this is Jody. Welcome back to my channel. So I've got a book review. Actually, this is a small little thin book, so I thought I would do 2 books in this review. All right, so let's get right to it. So I explain everything about the books and so that you can see the whole inside and look for them. Okay, so this measures 6.5 by 8.25. This is Tip Top Elf book, The Pony Twins, a Rand McNally book, 29 cents back in the day. Here is the back. Okay, so let's take a look. Aren't those ponies cute? So, gotta get my trusty little cheat sheet here. So we got MCM, L. So this is, and then 5, that's 4. So 1954, if I calculated it right, by Helen Wing. And it's in rough shape, but you know what? I love different variations of wear and tear and age and everything in my journals. So look at that. This is already aged all the way around. It's nicely aged. The paper is it's kind of a thicker paper. It does have sewn-in spine, so these pages can come all out. Well, the whole book is almost coming apart as it is. So this will be very easy just to finish taking apart. Excuse me. And you can use the entire page in your journal to stick them in there. So these books are so fantastic. The content is so nice. The pictures, the illustrations, and everything. So yeah. So see, that was just a short little one, but I have never seen that book before. I love Rand McNally books. You can tuck these into little golden books too because they're about the same size. You can stick them in larger books because these are smaller pages. So The Pony Twins, Tip Top Elf book. All right, the other one. Doesn't this just scream fun? Donald Duck Sees South America, Walt Disney, H. Marion Palmer. 6 1/8 by 8.5 book. Okay. It's got like a linen cloth book to it. It feels good in your hands. Here's the spine. If you see it on the shelf, Donald Duck Sees South America, Heath. Okay, and then here's the back. So let's take a peek. Zoom in just a tad. Okay, so it's got some nice brown end papers. All right, so here's, it's Walt Disney Storybook, so it looks like there's several stories also. Copyright 1945. Nice. This is a nice age book. All right. It's got some bright color. Oh, and look at, there's little black and white images at the bottom of the page. So look at that. Isn't that cute? So if the page doesn't have color on it, the next page has a little image at the bottom. Those are so darn cute. So there looks like a whole bunch of little short stories of his trip. Donald covers Colombia. Isn't that cute? Beautiful color, especially for 1945. It's just awesome. The book's in good shape. Okay, so we'll thumb through. So yeah. Interesting, huh? Argentina. Just a cute little book. It was a ripped page, but that's okay. It's 5 o'clock. My clock is going off. Little chime. All right, Walt Disney Storybook. That's a nice one. That'll make a beautiful journal cover. So those were the 2 that I just did. So there you go. Hopefully that helps you try to look for some books. All right, thank you so much. All right, bye-bye.